Welcome back to my channel, guys. So I'm going to be making a simple egg fried rice today. This rice was already cooked. It's already been cold, put in the fridge. Now I've fluffed it out with a fork, ready to fry it with an egg. I'm going to show you the simple steps of how to do egg fried rice at home. Make sure you do this before if you can. Just simply crush it out with a fork, or a spatula is okay, whatever you have. So basically you can use vegetable oil. You can also use, what I'm going to be using next is sesame seed oil. It's going to give it a nice fragrance and nuttiness to the rice. So we're just going to cook this off for a few minutes, and then we're going to add the egg. This is the first part of making egg fried rice. So I'll be using soy sauce, that sesame seed oil I was talking about. I'm going to be using a shallot, spring onion, egg, some seasoning, and that's about it. I'm not sure if I'm adding anything else in this, but that's all you're going to need. You can add whatever you want in this. You can add prawns, chicken, whatever you want. If you want just vegetables, you can have mixed veggies in this, sweet corn. Oh my gosh, you can add anything you want. So I'm just going to add some sesame seed oil, and then I'm going to add the egg, fry up the onions and all of that, and I'm going to show you guys what it looks like at the end. Woo. Steaming up in here. Well, this is what your fried rice should look like, guys. Nice and fluffy. You can put more eggs if you want. I just use this because my kids like eggs, and I do not want to use too much eggs, but you know, they like more rice than eggs, if you know what I mean. So I'm trying to make it balanced. And I'm gonna add the soy sauce now. I'm using dark soy instead of light soy, just to give it a color. I've used seasoning in there already, so you can season this to your taste. This dark soy just gonna give it a nice color. I'm just gonna go through that, and I'm showing you guys the end product in a second, so stay tuned. And I hope you guys try it out. You know, it's not hard to use some leftover rice and an egg and some veggies to make some fried rice. Alright, I'll show you guys what it looks like in the end. This is the end product, guys. Doesn't it look good? Yeah, it's so juicy as well. And you can go ahead and add extra spring onions and serve. Oh my god, look how nice that looks. And as I said, you can add meat in this if you want. You can add more veggies, but just make simple egg fried rice at home is possible. You can do it. And yeah, you enjoy it, because not everybody wants, you know, the whole shebang. Sometimes you just crave some egg fried rice, and yeah, you can just do it at home and enjoy yourself while you're in quarantine, guys. Go ahead, try this out. Let me know what you think. If you want to see more videos like this, me cooking at home, and for my kids, myself, make sure you guys subscribe to the channel and also give this video a thumbs up. But thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bon appetit.